Excited? Just getting her all buckled in.
Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog.
Oh, Ella, come here. Ella, come.
How cool is it that the kids got to go flying with my aunt? We're all chilling by the water now, and Xander's gonna go out in a kayak with Daryl. Jaden is apparently out in his own little kayak. This is the coolest thing. Him doing it by himself. You're doing good. Woohoo! This is so cool.
Mom, remember when I went on with you on the kayak?
Yeah, last year I think. What do you think, buddy?
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold?
What are their names?
I still don't get their names.
Are you gonna name them?
to make the ground shine like gold.
Ducky and ducky.
Much of winter comes.
Both duckies.
Both duckies.
It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are.
Tell me what you just did.
I untied the rope from Uncle Tom's thing.
The duckies.
A lot.
Wow.
I wonder when you're gonna figure it out.
Make a guess.
I was just gonna keep on going. And then I realized one little bugger's untied. So.
Which one do you think it is?
I think it's
Busted. Was it?
Miss Jaden.
Pull them in, Jaden. Pull them in.
Here we go.
Here. There you will go.
Yeah, they'll come down the road.
Are you going out again?
Yeah.
That's so fun.
Getting wet. He was wet.
What's wrong?
There's a bug, he says.
Okay, it's gone.
That's gone.
With you. Dad.
He's like holding on for dear life already.
Ready?
Yeah.
You would think that Daryl forced him in there.
So much better now.
Woo! See you, Xander! Bye!
I'm coming.
Xander's got a death grip on the front of it though.
He looks like he was forced into it.
Yeah.
You can yet. What do you want to go for a ride? Bye. Xander.
Have a good trip! There's 3 little bobbin heads. They're tide riding, as they call it. You see them? Good job, guys! Almost here! Come on! How was your tide riding?
Fine. I'm gonna do it again.
You're gonna do it again? You left Uncle Tom in the dust, though.
Huh?
You gotta wait for Uncle Tom to get back here.
He must be talking to somebody up there.
To the dust.
He's not talking to the duck.
Who's here? Who's here? Her mommy. Who's here? It's Tia. He's being goofy.
He's being shy.
What are you playing?
Go give her some popcorn.
Well, you had a good day today, huh?
Xander, go give her some popcorn.
You got to ride in a plane. You got to kayak.
Man,
You got the tide ride.
30 years and cry.
Who, me?
Yeah, you.
No, I don't.
What? No, I said, are you going to watch these videos in 30 years and cry?
Yeah,
Yes.
probably. Probably.
It makes me wonder.